Hello artists, and welcome back to Art Studio 5. On today's episode, we'll be learning about this guy, the incredible egg. He's pretty incredible, especially with his googly eyes. I had to give him some. I just think it's fun to put googly eyes on stuff. So, with spring here and Easter right around the corner, I thought it would be a lot of fun to learn a little bit about the history of Faberge and Pyzanky eggs, because those are two kinds of art that are centered around the egg. And then in our art studio time together, we are going to be creating an egg card and a pretty incredible paper egg. All right, so come on and join me. I'm going to show you how it's done.
I wonder why the egg is so incredible. As a food, eggs are full of essential nutrients. Historically, eggs are symbolic of life. In art, two examples of the decorative egg are the Faberge egg and the Pyzanky egg. Here we see the beautiful Faberge eggs. Faberge eggs are jeweled eggs made with the finest materials, made between 1885 and 1917 in Russia, crafted under the supervision of jeweler Peter Carl Faberge. 69 bejeweled eggs were created and 57 survive today. Many were crafted for the Russian Tsars Alexander III and Nicholas II as Easter gifts for their wives and mothers. Look at these incredible Pyzanky eggs. Pyzanka is the singular word while Pyzanky is the plural word. They are Ukrainian in origin and decorated with traditional Ukrainian folk designs using a hot wax-resist method and applied with a stylus. Pyzanka comes from the verb pysadi, which means to inscribe. Designs and motifs are often geometric, floral, or symbolic of Christianity. To make your incredible egg studio project, gather the following materials: white watercolor paper and pencil, a black Sharpie marker, a little watercolor palette, scissors, a water pot with water, paper towel, paintbrush, salt, glitter glue, sequins, and any other findings that you may have. These are optional. And do your best at gathering the best you can. Feel free to substitute where you have to.